I fiddled with screenplays. My objection to most visions of extraterrestrials is people don't understand. Extraterrestrials are not mundane. You know, they don't want our beautiful women. And they don't have a fascination with our gross industrial output. The real trick with an extraterrestrial is to know when you're in the presence of one, because it is going to be so strange and of such a different order of magnitude in many parameters that the trick is recognition, I think. I mean, eventually we may come to see that many life forms that we are not all to be traced back to one blob of germplasm, that, you know, the warm pond theory. I think the warm pond theory is in for serious revision. I think interesting genes have blown in here every once in a while over the millennia as the Earth has ground forward, and of course those genes get embedded in living systems. The mitochondria which power the animal cell were originally free-swimming bacteria that got into a symbiotic relationship with some kind of membrane-like matrix, and before they knew it, they had been incorporated as subcellular organelles of a larger system.